Power of analysis, power of charts, power of reading. I had mentioned you to stay short in oil yesterday. Again, see, this was the breakout, and I had mentioned very clearly that second red candle can be expected as long as 83.3 levels are not breached. Precisely, oil has respected the same levels, and oil has moved towards 80.5 levels. Here, the lower lows from what we had seen in the recent drop. What does this mean? Can we expect oil to continue with the slide today on the downside, or can we expect a pullback from here? Which position we should take trading crude oil today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. If you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the live updates. Join the community of traders and also do like, share, and comment. Your every like, share, comment is a great motivation for me to deliver twice a day updates on crude oil. Let's start. Now, see, look at the hourly charts for oil. Consolidation was seen here between 83, 82, and I had very categorically mentioned that below 82.2 levels, you just stay short 81.8, 81.5, and below that, more bearishness is going to be seen. The similar oil has achieved the lows here, and if you look at it, it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. It has created the channel on its own. The highs and the lows of this channel, the lows here at around 80 and the highs here at around 82. Now this is the zone where we have to exercise extra caution here. Also, if you look at the hourly chart, see slight retracement and it is yielding higher lows and lower highs here. Thus, staying above 81.5 is where little bullishness can be seen, but then 81.8, 82.2 is the first resistance zone, and beyond that is where little bullishness can be expected. On the upside, see this multiple candles getting reversed from 83. Only reversal confirmation is oil if it stays above $83. Stochastic at bottom. Now, on the hourly charts, MACD has seen double bottom levels. If it converges here, crosses over here, a little bullishness can be expected, but see, the bottom is not the bottom. It can continue to diverge and yield more bearish candles here. RSI at bottom coming to 2. Look at 2 hour charts. Look at the formation here. One bearish candle consolidation, next bearish candle consolidation. Thus, it is creating steps. It is staying, continue to stay bearish. On the upside, we have to be watchful of 82 levels. Yes, we can initiate a buying position at 81.5 levels, and yes, you can expect there a little retracement on the upside towards 82.2, 81.8 zone. And if it stays above 82.2, certainly little more bullishness can be expected. Prices, if you look at moving averages, are divergent here. The 20 period is sitting at 82 levels, which is definitely a greater resistance. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish, and MACD is still looking down. It is still scope for it to hit a bottom here. Thus, be a little cautious. RSI is still at bottom, coming to 3. If you look at 3 hour chart, see smaller body size on the downside suggests that yes, there is slight bearishness. I will look forward to the double bottom levels at 80.5, and below 80.5 levels is where certainly we are going to look at $80 and below levels. Yes, this time if it stays below 80.5, we can look forward to a further lows towards 80. 80 is going to be a critical milestone for oil. Stochastic is at oversold levels. MACD is divergent and bearish. It is still scope for it to continue on the downside, form a double bottom here, and that is what it is trying to do here. Now see, drop, retracement, drop, so it can further yield the lows here. RSI oversold, coming to 4. Likewise, on the 4 hour chart, see lower highs here. At this point I had mentioned, see this is where lower highs are seen, and once it breaks on the downside, more bearishness is going to prevail. That is what has happened. It has breached the support levels here at 83 and traded bearish. Since then, we have just seen oil sliding, and now 83 is going to remain the milestone which it needs to break past by in order to confirm the reversal here. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is also at bottom. And on the daily, now look at the daily chart, see the drop here, the consolidation, higher lows, and this is the breakout. After the breakout, this is the second red candle, and if you include the first red candle, this 3 red candles are done. The possibility of a slight retracement exists. Right now, the prices are also at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, so you can see a little retracement. Now, first major resistance for the day is at 83, and then at 85 for the week. Only and only if prices stays above 85, you can say that we are looking forward to a reversal, and we can see prices flying towards 88 zone. On the downside, the bottom is far below at around 76. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking down. Now, important part is the crossover in oil here between the moving average. See, this is a crossover here, and this is a bearish cross. This can lead to further bearishness in the coming few candles here. RSI is bearish here. The MACD is divergent and bearish here as well. It is looking downwards. It is looking forward to extreme divergence. This fall can lead to a sharper drop. RSI is also looking downwards, suggestive of bearishness. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably. And before I proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 27th batch is going to start on 20th of November. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel and live webinar. Everything is available when you move to the platform forexfunder.com. This is the my platform forexfunder.com. This is the community of traders where we can discuss and engage in an enriching discussion with the like-minded traders. The news is available here. Also, along with the economic calendar, the markets data where you can find the live prices for any of the instrument getting traded across the globe. You can create your own charting here, and with the help of indicators, you can book a call with me. You can schedule an appointment for any of your consultation and guidance which you require from my side. Yes, you can also put a post in support if you have any queries, and register for the live webinar or live mentorship. This is the details of the these are the details available here. What is going to be the timings, what is going to be the curriculum, how much is the fees, and you can pay here itself at the live mentorship tab. Once you move, you can pay here and be a part of this mentorship. The most important part of this forum is the availability of the discussions forum where you can initiate your own discussion. We can have an enriching discussion with the like-minded traders. So let's active there. Let's try to get the most out of experience from everyone. Visit the platform forexfunder.com, register for webinar, register for the mentorship. Now, with that, today I will recommend you to buy oil today at 81.2. Remember, 81.5 levels is the greater resistance, first resistance zone, then 81.8 and 82. The resistance here, or rather I will say this complete zone between 81.8 82.2 is the greater resistance which on the upside, and beyond 82.2 is where further bullishness will be seen. I will look forward to 83 levels as the next milestone. Only above 83, treat this as a reversal, else the prices can again continue with the bearish moment. Thus, you can buy at 81.2, be careful at 81.5 levels, and then beyond that, little bullishness to be seen. Still trail your stop losses as long as 83 is respected. We can see a reversal, thus you have to trade cautiously as long as 83 is not breached. On the downside, I recommend you to sell here at 80.5. Below that, this time certainly we are going to look at 80 and below levels. Below 80, what is the first support levels? First at 78 and then at 76. These are two major support levels for oil on the downside. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship by Signals channel, free Telegram channel, and the live webinar. All of these offerings are just for you, and capitalize the max out of these offerings here. Also, wait for the next update before the US session. That is going to remain critical for crude oil. Watch that as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.